Look, this is the stinky tofu.
This is very famous in this shop.
So you must challenge your tongue.
It's a typical local, very local flavor. It's not something in the Chinese culture. It's very Taiwanese.
Have no idea what real curry is.
Many people have come over and told me, oh no, I don't like it, you need to change it to Taiwanese taste. But then if I did that, would it be English? No, this is authentic.
People don't know what the 100% Western food feels like, so they're getting used to a mixture of the Western and Eastern food style. So they're accepting a Western food which should not be called Western food.
You need to come to Pinling and really taste incredible tea, incredible climate, 4,000 millimeters of rain a year. That's what gives you these amazing tea bushes.
There's a lot of growth in bubble tea right now, so that's also another way that people are introduced to Taiwanese tea.
So this is a very simple dish, noodles, vegetable with vegetable soup. That's it. Enjoy it.
Here we've got two of the world's greatest, most drunk drinks, tea and coffee, all growing in the same field.
This is real Taiwanese food.
Welcome to Taiwan Kitchen.